So I normally cook with a cast iron skillet, so yes, my natural choice is to go with a cast iron bread mixer. I recently got a dough mixer, so I'll be making more bread, hopefully. And I just wanted to make sure that I had a durable pan, and this was the right choice. So I went ahead and went with the recipe for bread that came with my new dough mixer. It was fairly easy, a few simple ingredients, and the dough mixer made it very easy to make my first loaf of bread. Crazy enough. Anyway, I think it turned out great. What is amazing about this pan is that it came already seasoned. So I was expecting the bread to kind of stick to the pan when I removed the bread, but it came out so easy. There was absolutely no residue left on the pan. It looked brand new. This is after baking, ladies and gentlemen. After baking. So yeah, also the pan does come with its own recipe book, and I plan to try those recipes in the future. So if you're looking for a good cast iron bread pan, this is a solid choice. I like it. I think you will too.